Hey everybody, Chris, Four Directions Bushcraft. I'm just outside my place. You guys are gonna hear a lot of noise. Wasn't able to make it to the woods today. Just got done with an overnighter, and I wanted to play around with this fungus that I got, cottonwood fungus. So I've started some hand drill fires in here. Couldn't get this one to go. Couldn't get it to catch on itself. Now I get plenty of dust from this, of course, and so I wanted to try to collect some with just using this as a hearth board. I can get the dust to go pretty good, but I'm gonna play around, so figured I'd bring you guys along with me. So stay tuned. We'll do a little playing with fire session. Doesn't look like I got a coal there. I'm not having too much luck starting this up. Not like the chaga anyway. This has been off the tree for a long time. Should be nice and dry. You can see how that dust has some real dark parts in it, like it wanted to start. But now that dust pile can really be ignited really easy with a fire steel. You can see it smoking on its own. Oh, there goes a piece of that fire steel there. But it'll just sit there and smolder like that. So if you just shave that fungus up, or drill it to get some dust, or however you want to get the dust off of there, it'll actually catch a spark real easy. I just can't get it to ignite itself for some reason. Maybe I'm not doing it long enough. See, that's just like a coal. I want to kind of set it on here to see if it'll ignite the fungus itself, kind of like chaga. It's almost like chaga. If you don't put it out, you can restart different fires on within it, you know, really easily. This cottonwood fungus, I think it's a little more dense. It's a little harder to work with. So if I just shave some of this off like I would chaga. Try to get a pile of this, and then we'll see if we see. So this is not as thin as this dust that caught that spark, obviously. So this is just, it's more like chunks. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll see. Doesn't look like it wants to catch either. See, so that doesn't want to catch either. Cottonwood fungus. It isn't as reliable as the chaga, I don't think. It's hard to catch a spark with, unless it's fine dust like this. And trying to start it with a hand drill, I can't seem to get it up to temp. Thanks for hanging out with this short video, playing with fire, cottonwood fungus, and thanks for your views, comments, and support. We'll see you on the next one.